On our first day arriving at the La Folie Douce Hotel, I am super excited to head over to check out the beginner ski slopes. I am so happy to see so many people there, even with the heavy snowfall and the freezing cold. Le Savoy is a great spot for a morning boost. The only slopes open are Le Savoy, which are safe for beginners. I'm feeling super happy and energized, even though I'm just getting over a cold flu that lasted more than 3 weeks. Thankfully, I still have some energy left. I've definitely gotten better this time around, falling less often because I focus on keeping my weight centered over my front foot, bending my knee, and looking in the direction I want to go. Keeping my weight on the front foot helps me stay in control, since leaning back can make the board turn uncontrollably. Pole uses edge control to steer and manage speed instead of just skidding. Always look ahead, concentrating on your destination rather than just your feet. All the ski slopes are shut down due to freezing temperatures, strong winds, and non-stop heavy snowfall, making it really cold and risky on the mountains, especially when it's below 12 degrees Celsius, when I am totally drained and just collapse next to the tree area. It's snowing heavily, super cold, and really windy too. My hands are freezing, but as I watch everyone snowboarding, skiing, and the kids laughing, so adorable. As a second-time snowboarder, my goal is to fall less. I keep practicing because it feels great to try new things, and snowboarding is not just an awesome workout, but also a super fun sport. It's just a short walk from our hotel. La Folie Douce 4-star hotel are well known for their prime locations right on the ski slopes, providing ski-in and ski-out access, along with a vibrant après-ski scene. I am beginning to really love snowboarding. As a newbie, I am just trying to enjoy it in relaxed settings, without any stress. My goal is to stay upright and have a blast. It gives me a sense of pride and makes me feel pretty awesome. It makes me happy. I genuinely enjoy taking in the scene around me. Paul has been ill for over 2 weeks, but he has completely recovered. My immune system isn't the strongest, but I am now in my 3rd week of recovery. I only have a slight cough due to the frigid weather. I reach out to film Paul as he snowboards lap after lap, having a great time watching him. I can't help but keep my eyes on him, secretly hoping he falls, just so I can get a good laugh. I will take good care of myself and take care everyone. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, my friends. We're definitely coming back soon.